Hey car fans and DIY enthusiasts! Are you tired of confusing check engine lights and expensive mechanic visits? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ANCEL AS500 OBD2 scanner, a tool that empowers you to diagnose your car's health right in your driveway. Let's see if this little gadget can truly be your mechanic in a box. The ANCEL AS500 is a powerful diagnostic tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a standout in the crowded OBD2 scanner market. Features and benefits. Read and clear trouble codes. Ever wondered what that cryptic code on your dashboard means? The AS500 reads and interprets generic and manufacturer-specific codes, giving you clear explanations of the problem. Plus, it helps you reset the check engine light once the issue is fixed. Live data stream. Monitor your car's vital signs in real time. See how your engine temperature, RPMs, and other sensors are performing, allowing you to identify potential issues before they become major problems. Emission test readiness. Stay ahead of schedule with smog checks. The AS500 performs readiness checks for all OBD2 monitors, ensuring your car passes emissions tests with flying colors. Battery test. Is your battery on its last legs? The AS500 analyzes battery health and cranking power, so you can avoid getting stranded with a dead battery. User-friendly interface. No mechanic jargon here. The AS500 boasts a clear color display and intuitive menus, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. Multilingual support. Speak your language. The AS500 supports multiple languages, ensuring clear communication no matter where you are. Lifetime free updates. Stay ahead of the curve with ANCEL's commitment to free software updates, keeping your scanner compatible with the latest vehicles and diagnostic standards. Here are some pros and cons about ANCEL AS500. Pros: affordable price, user-friendly interface, supports multiple languages, wide range of diagnostic functions, one-click I or M readiness check, lifetime free software updates. Cons: smaller display compared to some scanners, limited manufacturer-specific features, may not be suitable for complex repairs. Overall, the ANCEL AS500 OBD2 scanner is an excellent choice for car owners who want to take control of their vehicle's health. It's easy to use, packed with features, and won't break the bank. While it might not be a mechanic replacement for everything, it's a valuable tool for identifying and troubleshooting common car issues. So, if you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly way to diagnose your car, the ANCEL AS500 is definitely worth a look. Do you have any experience with OBD2 scanners? Share your thoughts and recommendations in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tech content. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the ANCEL AS500. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right tools, you can become your own car care hero. Happy wrenching!